Customer delight is more than just meeting their needs in the moment. To achieve this, we have adapted to the backward integration strategy. With this strategy, we deliver our mantra, luxury homes at affordable pricing. We know your mindset. We sense your feelings. With this strategy, we grow and gain trust. So, here we are able to offer you what you want. This is our strength. This is our success secret. Our very own design resources, our zero-waste floor plans, our improved efficiency products are manufactured with utmost care, ensuring 100% quality. And Mineral Mine is a greater advantage to our manufacturing products. We have an exclusive firm to manufacture the doors, windows and interiors for your dream home with the finest designs and improved efficiency. We do the manufacturing to save costs for you and your happiness. We maintain our very own transportation fleet, further cutting down your product cost. Anything for that satisfying smile. Thus, we are able to deliver world-class service at a competitive price. We are real. We are transparent, a key factor that has helped us to garner your trust, support and loyalty. We realize that you always wanted to be included and informed. We know that you expect and demand honesty. So, we have made it as part of all our business processes and practices. Here's our transparency in legal processes. Here's how we are transparent in marketing and sales. Here's our transparency in construction. Here's our transparency in customer service. We have everything that can truly delight you. We deliver incomparable quality at an affordable price. This is how we surprise you by exceeding your expectations every day, every time.